In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add RoPro to Chrome. We'll walk through getting the official RoPro extension from the Chrome Web Store and making sure it shows up in your browser and on the Roblox website. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Chrome Web Store or go directly if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, click into the search bar and type RoPro Enhance Your Roblox Experience. Look for the result titled exactly that, published by RoPro Software Corporation. Verifying the exact name and publisher helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're installing the legitimate tool. Click the listing to open its details page. Here you can skim the description, screenshots, and permissions so you know what the extension does. When you're ready, hit Add to Chrome. Chrome will show a confirmation pop-up explaining what access the extension needs. Review it, then click Add Extension. The download is quick, and you'll see a brief notification once the installation finishes. After it's installed, look to the top right of Chrome and click the extensions icon. It looks like a little puzzle piece. You'll see RoPro in the list. If you want one-click access, click the pin icon next to RoPro so it stays visible on your toolbar. Pinning isn't required, but it makes it easier to find settings or quickly confirm that the extension is active. Now open the Roblox website in Chrome and sign into your account. You don't have to run anything manually here. RoPro integrates directly with the site. As the page loads, its features will automatically appear within Roblox, things like enhanced profiles, extra sorting, or additional filters depending on the current version. If you don't see changes right away, try refreshing the Roblox page after signing in and make sure you're viewing it in the same Chrome profile where you installed the extension. Also, double check that the RoPro icon is present in the extensions menu, which confirms the installation. That's it. You've added RoPro to Chrome, pinned it for quick access if you like, and enabled its features on Roblox just by visiting the site. Enjoy the upgraded experience and feel free to explore the extension's options to tailor it to how you play.